Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to cook something special. Since it is still not safe to go out and eat in a restaurant, let's cook na lang para mas mura pa. So this recipe is so easy. We only need asparagus. I bought the asparagus in Landmark for 70 or 75 pesos lang. Then 15 pieces na siya. So of course, we also need bacon, pepper, and syempre yung pang-twist sa recipe natin, Parmesan cheese, oyster sauce, and honey. Usually kasi oyster sauce lang or salt and pepper lang. So we will add Parmesan and honey para mas masarap. So of course, you need to wash the asparagus first. And then let's wrap the asparagus using our bacon. But before we do that, we need to roll the asparagus of Parmesan cheese and pepper. You can add a pinch of salt, but it's optional naman. Okay, make sure to wrap each bacon strip tightly, pero dahan-dahan lang baka mabali yung asparagus. And then once you're done wrapping the asparagus, let's now prepare the sauce. Mix the honey and oyster sauce. Mix it well. And then, ito na yung gagamitin natin pang topping sa bacon wrapped asparagus natin. So, again, you need to make sure na malagyan lahat ng bacon natin. Then, flip it para malagyan din yung other side. Then, once you're done, you can add more Parmesan cheese para mas masarap. Okay, so after that, we will now put our bacon wrapped asparagus sa oven. We will cook first the other side for 10 minutes and then another 10 minutes for the other side naman. Pag walang oven, you can fry it using olive oil para healthy pa rin. Okay, so that's all. You can try it at home. Thank you for watching and enjoy.